You can install vinyl plank flooring directly over ceramic tile in a bathroom only when the tile is sound, flat, and prepared correctly. If the tiles are stable and do not rock, it is possible to lay vinyl planks on top, but you must create a uniformly flat substrate first. Start by checking every tile for movement and remove any loose tiles, replacing or rebedding them so the surface will not flex underfoot. Grind or sand high spots and use a polymer-modified thinset or leveling compound to feather down low grout lines until the whole floor is level within manufacturer tolerances, which are usually small but always check the product specifications. Clean the entire area with a degreasing cleaner and rinse thoroughly. Any residue will interfere with adhesion for glue-down products and with the locking action for floating floors. If the vinyl manufacturer requires or recommends an underlayment for moisture control or for cushioning, use that product and follow all instructions for seams and vapor barrier placement. For bathrooms, consider waterproof or water-resistant vinyl, and ensure transitions and perimeter gaps are sealed with appropriate flexible trim and caulk to prevent water intrusion beneath the planks. Common mistakes include installing over tiles that are loose or uneven, which causes plank damage and clicking. Fix this by resetting or replacing loose tiles and leveling grout lines before installation. A second issue is inadequate surface cleaning and degreasing, which leads to adhesive failure or plank slipping. Solve this by using a staged cleaning process with a degreaser, rinse, and final wipe with isopropyl alcohol if the manufacturer allows it. A third problem is ignoring moisture management in a bathroom, which can cause swelling or mold under the floor. Address this by choosing a waterproof vinyl product, installing a vapor retarder or manufacturer-approved underlayment when required, and sealing all perimeter and transition areas. On BigHomeProjects.com, we help homeowners connect with local contractors and browse project ideas relevant to bathroom floor overlays. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors share real experiences, tips, and photos so we can all learn from practical examples.